Demand planning and forecasting. Why does it matter? Without it, you risk overstocked shelves, costly stockouts, wasted resources, and disgruntled customers. Nail it and you will boost inventory turns, reduce carrying costs, and unlock sustainable profits, efficiency, and customer loyalty. From inventory replenishment to distribution and material requirements planning, Acumatica delivers the features you need to optimize operations and drive success. Inventory replenishment is ideal for restocking items as they're sold or used. Manage high turnover or seasonal products while minimizing stockouts and overstock. Use historical data to calculate replenishment parameters such as safety stock, reorder points, and more. Apply replenishment parameters and prepare replenishment orders. Review and convert order recommendations into purchase orders, kit assemblies, and warehouse transfers to fulfill demand. Generate demand forecasts to help planners time-phase supply plans based on order dates and lead times using transactional history. You can also import or manually create forecasts to plan distribution and manufacturing activities for items at specific warehouses. Side panels help planners compare forecasted and actual demand and understand which sales orders consumed the forecast in each planning period. Inventory planning is highly agile, giving retailers and distributors the ability to adapt swiftly to supply and demand fluctuations. Configure settings such as exception message timeframes, demand time fences, planning horizons, and grace periods to effectively manage complex operations. DRP delivers time-phased recommendations for just-in-time purchasing, kit assemblies, and warehouse transfers, ensuring you know precisely what to order, the quantity required, when to place the order, and the best supplier to procure it from. While DRP focuses on managing purchased raw materials through purchase, transfer, and kit assembly orders, MRP offers additional functionality tailored for manufacturers. It provides recommendations for production orders, both for finished goods and intermediate components, driving demand from the top-level bill of materials down to raw materials. Furthermore, you can create master production schedules to align manufacturing activities with demand plans for finished goods. DRP and MRP exception messages highlight changes such as shifting demand that necessitate order date adjustments or cancellations. This prevents overstocking and aligns supply with demand. Additionally, messages guide planners for order expedition and other supply and demand activities. In addition to exception messages, Acumatica provides role-based dashboards, personalized inquiries, and automated reports to keep supply chains running at optimal performance levels. Transform your approach to demand planning with certified partner solutions that bring advanced tools to the table. Gain unparalleled flexibility and efficiency to master even the most intricate challenges of today's supply networks. Acumatica provides powerful tools for inventory replenishment, DRP, and MRP, enabling accurate forecasting and flexible responses to demand. Optimize stock levels, boost agility, and make smarter decisions. Contact us today to unlock growth and profitability.